Step-by-step guide to set up DKIM for Microsoft Office 365. Warmy blog. Learn how to enhance your email security with DKIM in Microsoft Office 365. This guide covers steps to configure DKIM to protect your domain from email spoofing and improve email deliverability. DKIM, Domain Keys Identified Mail, prevents email spoofing by using digital signatures to verify sender authenticity and ensure email integrity. Before configuring DKIM in Microsoft Office 365, ensure you have administrative access, a validated domain setup in Microsoft 365 for sending and receiving emails, and access to modify DNS records for adding necessary CNAME records. Configuring DKIM for Office 365. 1. Access the Office 365 Admin Center. Log in to admin.microsoft.com with administrative privileges. 2. Navigate to DKIM configuration. Go to the Exchange Admin Center under Admin Centers, then navigate to Protection DKIM to manage DKIM settings. 3. Create DKIM DNS records. Select your domain in the DKIM management section to generate 2 CNAME records. Publish these records in your DNS settings. 4. Enable DKIM signing. Once DNS records are added, return to the Exchange Admin Center to enable DKIM signing for your domain. Allow time for DNS propagation. Following these steps ensures emails from your domain are authenticated and less likely to be marked as spam. Use Warmy's free email deliverability tool to confirm DKIM, SPF, and DMARC settings. Ensure accurate DNS configuration and gain insights into email deliverability, spam placement, blacklist status, and authentication checks. Utilize Warmy's tools for effective email warming, boosting deliverability and engagement by gradually increasing email volume. If you found this helpful, show your support by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Stay tuned for more valuable information.